some safety announcement for you, okay? First of all, always have your mask on. Second of all, you guys are in different blocks. I believe you're in different blocks. If you are in different blocks, please do not, same blocks. Alright, our operations crew has said they're in the same block. Sorry about that. So it's okay. Just remember during the show, if there are flying birds, if they are, we're trying our best to bring out flying birds. If they're flying birds, please remain in your seat or else these birds will land on your head. Alright. Okay, now you look at the weather, it's pretty bad right now, and these animals, usually birds, when they are experiencing such weather, they will usually hide. So it is a big challenge for all of us right now backstage. Trust me, they're looking at every bird. This bird, I think she wants to come out. This bird, no, she does not want to come out. They're behind, frantically looking at every behavior of the birds to see if they can be out or they want to come out or not. Because these birds are trained based on an operant conditioning system, meaning based on a positive reinforcement system. Okay, if they don't want to come out, we're not going to force them. But trust me, we promise you, we'll try to bring out as many or as much birds as possible, okay? We'll try our very best, okay? Backstage, really, the trainers behind are trying their very best. In the meantime, we're going to start in a very short while, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the music. Maybe 1 or 2 minutes to high five, so it's going to commence. Thank you, everybody. See you in a while. Whoa, that's really quick! Okay, once again, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to welcome you to the High Flyers Show and introduce you to one of the most excitable birds here. This is Prague, by the way, one of the trainers that we have. Looks like Quincy. Quincy is an Amazon, double yellow-headed Amazon parrot, and looks like she's the first one to come out. Look at how excited she is, right? Oh, she speaks Japanese. She's saying "Sokomate kudasai," which means hold on a minute, alright? In Japanese. Okay. I know you're really excited. Hold on a minute. Alright. Now, Amazon parrots belong to the... Not yet, Sidi, not yet. Okay, I'll put on this side. Now, parrots are known to be very intelligent. Okay, she's very excited. Okay, you want to say hello? This is one thing why I love working with animals. It's never a perfect picture every day. Hey, Chris, you want to say hello? Say hello. Nice, big hello. You gotta welcome them. Yeah, she's saying welcome to paradise. Very good. Now, Jurong Bird Park is indeed parrot paradise here in Singapore. Alright, now Quincy here, she was actually from a farm. So she has mimicked some farm animal sounds. Now, first sound is the sound of a cat. Cat. Now, by the way, parrots are known to be able to copy sounds or words that you and I make. Okay, it's called mimicry. Okay, make the sound of a cat. Ready? At least you guys know it's not recorded, right? It's happening live. Okay, I know the weather is like that, but you have to focus, okay? Let's move on to the next animal sound. Dog. Why are you crying? Okay, Quincy. No, she's laughing at me. Okay. Quincy. See. Hi. Hello. Okay. Cat. The challenges of working with an animal in this kind of weather. That's why we trainers have a lot of patience, alright? Okay, how about dog? Dog. Okay, telephone. Finally! Okay. But that does not mean she's gonna listen to me later on, okay? We're gonna try this again. Okay, how about, okay, cry. You wanna cry? Cry. Okay, next one. La! Okay, whistle. That's not a whistle, by the way. Okay. By the way, Quincy here loves to sing as well, and she loves to sing the song called Singapura. It's a local song. It goes Singapura or Singapura. Pretty flowers, yeah? What is it? Chiku? I don't know what you're saying. This is the first time I'm hearing it, okay? Okay, she's gonna sing a song called Singapura. Singapura or Singapura, pretty flowers bloom for you and me. Alright, let's try this. Yeah, okay, ready? She can't say the word me, but you have to sing along with her, okay? Never keep a bird at home, if you know what I mean. Because it's so much noise. Imagine at 1 a.m. in the morning and then keep talking and singing. Your neighbor's gonna complain. Alright, let's try this. Ready, Quincy? Singapura. Oh. Blue. Me. Good job. Okay, this is learning something new. Let's try this. Okay, she's gonna make some water sound. Ready? Okay, good boy. Good boy. Yeah, that's another Quincy. Good job. That's the second time I'm trying this on stage ever. Alright, it's very new to her. Okay, Quincy, it's time for us to bring more birds. Alright? Okay, you want to say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 One last one. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Alright, once again, let's put our